So this is my oregano I grew from seed. Yeah, Uh, one rainy day, sitting in my garage, I planted a lot of flowers and herbs, and this is my oregano. Yesterday, I achieved something I had never achieved before, and that is achieving the flower of the oregano. Now, I know that when you grow an oregano to continuously receive uh, oregano from one plant, you don't want it to go to flower, so you pinch the flower off. But yeah, y'all know I ain't doing that. But I do have another container with oregano, and I tell you what, today I'm gonna plant more. But yesterday I did have a flower, my first flower from my oregano, and it looked like this. Yeah, it was beautiful. Now, it comes up from these spikes, and at first, these spikes, when you look at this plant, these spikes looks like thyme. There's my, yeah. So this is the oregano, and I was just loving that I did achieve that flower, which I've never achieved before. But if you are growing oregano for food, you don't want the flower, no. And to harvest more, to get more oregano from one plant, you want to harvest just as you would do your basil. You would let's go further down. You will harvest the top leaves. Yeah, harvest the top leaves. If I could get it off with these gloves without cutting it, I got it. And the other ones will just grow. And you take this, you dry it, or you cook it, whatever you prefer. Yeah. And so I'm gonna harvest more of this oregano. My nieces is coming today, and they are going to do some harvesting of some basil. I think that's the way he says it. But yeah, they're gonna harvest some basil, so this should be fun. But this flower is gonna open today, and yep, I'm gonna be here so I can see it. They are beautiful. Yeah, there she is, guys. She bloomed. So it took her like 15 minutes from me talking about her. You look at this flower, it's beautiful. Yeah, this is the oregano flower. Yes, and this is my second flower from this plant. Now they want me to pinch this off? No. This was the first, and here's a picture of the first. But here's right now, y'all. This is right now. It's gorgeous. Yeah. The oregano. Mm.